What's up, everyone? This is Nova Studios. I'm Slade.
I'm Landon.
And today we are playing Wolf's Life 3. I have never played this before, so
I have it is I'm gonna say like the worst RPG I've ever played.
role-playing game. Let's do newborn.
You're the only person who doesn't know what RPG is.
I do know what it is. What the?
After I told you.
What the heck is this called? Full. Let's
Beat 'em
do
up.
black. Secondary. Black. Oh no, let's do it.
Oh.
Let's do the full light gray and then inside ears.
What are you? What are you?
Oh no. Why?
What are you?
I'm a newborn.
I'm a pup. Oh.
Flaws.
I've played old ones, but I haven't played the new ones.
Nose and pads. Brown.
Go
Eyes.
to pup adoption.
Okay, can you fat? What's fat? Oh yes, I want to be fat. Chubby cheeks. Yes. Tail fluff. What's tail fluff? I don't see anything. I don't see anything. Messy fluff. Fluff. Wings. Okay.
I'm already doing roleplay. I'm at pup adoption.
Pup adoption. Okay. I'm here.
Get out here, noob.
Where are you? Where are you?
You not see me?
Oh, you
I'm the
do.
giant.
Can jump. Yes, I'm on you.
What happens? Wait, doesn't that mean I can get on top of you?
No, I'm the baby pup. Gender. Alpha wicked. Alpha wicked. No. And me. I'm so sweaty, I look like a pool. Oh, so sticky. What? Just why? What is this? Wow. Okay. How do I sit down? Like this? Pack name. Nodes. Wait, no. Wolf. Ease. Dang it!
Do you like my name?
How do I invite people to my lead pack?
What is your pack?
Hold on. I'm redoing it. Oh, please. Dang it. It's... what should I name it?
Happy family.
Okay, how do I invite people?
I'm in.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Ah! Big stomp on. Follow me, Landon.
lagging. Let's go.
Wait, what's this? Newborns? I should have been in here. Come on, let's go.
Do you like my name? Look at my name.
Has swag, cool. Us? Oh, meat. Oh, meat. Meat. Eat. What is this? Huxley. Oh, okay, so we can get dens. Okay.
Yeah, we can get dens.
Son, follow me so we can, and let's get a den.
Where'd you go?
I'm right here. Follow me.
Oh,
Think
I'm lagging a lot.
right here, den. Okay, right here on this rock, Lennon. Is that dog? That dog is actually flying. Okay. Well,
Oh yeah, if you get wings, you can fly.
why? Just why?
It's 35 Robux.
I know. Empty den. Empty den. How do I climb a den?
Let's get a den.
Wait. How do I climb a den?
Oh, sorry, you're not a member of Skyfluke Studio. Oh, you have to be a member.
What do you mean? I'm a member.
No, you gotta join the group.
I just did. Hold on, I gotta leave and join back.
Funny thing, you can just walk right into this den.
Wow.
I'm inside of the den right now.
Are you still part of the nodes pack?
Okay, so that's gonna wrap up this video.
No, it's not.
Yeah, Team Nerds is still a thing.
Yeah, team nodes. I'm gonna be an adult now. Holding a wolf. Let's go.
You gotta come back to Team Nerd. And I'll make you an alpha.
Facts. I don't see node.
Let me leave and then.
Node. Go. Dang it.
Okay, I made nerds.
No,
Join.
I just made nodes.
Okay, but you gotta make me an alpha.
Why? Oh, then
You're not in here.
I don't know silver. That's why I can't see. Wow, okay.
Okay, so that's gonna wrap up.
It's not gonna wrap up the video.
Yes, it is.
It isn't.
Cat's Life, really? Someone just said I'ma play a bit of Cat's Life.
Then why are you playing Wolf's Life?
Oh my. Don't look at chat. Please.
Okay.
Don't look at chat.
I didn't see it, but I'm just gonna close it right up.
Thank you. Are you in the server?
Yeah.
Are you
right
sure?
here?
What?
No, this is not the same place. Actually, it is. Like the same right place. Okay, come back to the area we were at, okay?
I am in the den right now.
What? Then.
Okay, nerds isn't working.
Oh, okay. Now, remember,
Can you make the nerds?
games and you have to be a member. This is to reduce the amount of players trolling and being mean to normal players. Wow. Okay. And I joined it. Didn't I? I joined it, right? Yeah? Okay. Hey, Lennon, that's fine. Let's go prank some other people.
Wait, we gotta be in a pack. Make
Hi.
nerds.
Hi.
You're upside down.
No.
Hi.
Wanna be in a pack? Wait, what? What's happening? What's happening to me? Len, help me. Len, help me. I'm dying. Help me. I'm dying. Help me. I'm dying. Someone
I'm helping you.
See you. Okay. Settings?
It would be in poses.
Yeah, no. Poses. Where are poses? No, don't read that. Poses. Where are poses? No! No, you guys are still recording, right?
I know.
Where would poses be?
It's on the side of the screen. I'm sorry for everybody. Uh-oh.
What? What's happening?
Slade, look at the doors.
Yeah, I know. And I'm dying. This person just kidnapped me. And now I'm dying in their home. Help me. Okay, guys, this is gonna be the end of this video. I don't even know what we did this video. I'm currently dying as a wolf. We do have an Instagram account. Go check that out. This weekend we are gonna be doing a live stream, so watch out for that. And we'll see.
Well, he is.
Oh, I am. Ah! And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.